Okay, here we go. Press and hold feather. Immediately cut the throttle. One feathered engine. Straight in the fire extinguisher.